Are you struggling to grasp the intricacies of organic chemistry? Do complex structures and reactions seem like a foreign language? We've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing our Organic Chemistry Lecture Notebook, your comprehensive guide to mastering organic chemistry. Why choose our lecture notebook? Our notes are meticulously organized, making it easy to find and review specific topics whenever you need them. We break down complex concepts into clear and concise explanations, accompanied by real-world examples to help solidify your understanding. Join thousands of students who have transformed their organic chemistry learning experience with our lecture notebook. Don't miss out on this opportunity to simplify your organic chemistry journey. Order your Organic Chemistry Lecture Notebook today.